Hi, Dan the Mountain Man here. Today we're taking a short hike to High Falls in the DuPont State Forest outside of Hendersonville and Brevard, North Carolina. This is a 6/10 of a mile hike out to the falls. So let's go and see what this is like today. As we start at the, we're actually starting at the visitor center, which is out there in the woods. You can probably see it there. And this is the parking lot, and we're at the trailhead here. So let's go ahead and start this hike. Brendan's stopping and smelling every tree along the way. Alright, the one thing I like about DuPont State Forest is they do a good job for the most part. Most of the trails are pretty well maintained. So this one's really good right here. Down by the last little bit going to falls down here is not all that great, but this one part is really good. So it's really nice, easy going walk. Just about almost anybody can do it. So, well, let's continue on down and see what we got here. Hi guys, we have come to a crossroads in the road. Being that this is the loop, this is the main loop part of the trail. So, this is where we came from. Going down there goes back to the visitor center and the trailhead. So this is the way we're probably going to go down to. This is our loop around, and we follow the loop all the way around. It'll come out this way over here, and over here is the main service road for this part of the trail, and we'll get up on it for something a little bit coming up on the trail, which is actually the top of the falls. That road goes over top of it, so it's got a little something I'm going to show you when we get down to it, but right now it's a surprise. Okay, so let me go walking down here a little bit more. Alright guys, we got to another fork in the road, and this one, if you go straight at this one, as you come in here, you go to a picnic shelter. There's one there. I think it goes around to the other. There's another one that actually has a better view of the falls. But then if you go downhill, which is why we're going down to the base of the falls, so we're going down to the base of the falls. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, whew, my head's getting cold here. It's in the 30s. It was good for hiking in the winter, but it's a nice day anyway. So as you can see behind me is the falls. So there's the falls that we're going to. We'll be down the base here shortly, but I stopped here at the stairs. I believe these steps go to the shelter because it's just right over there. So let's go on down to the falls. I think I'll just take this way up to the shelter, and then we got the little surprise, which actually I'll show you when I think we'll be able to see it when we get to the bottom of the falls, but if not, you'll just have to wait. Okay, I thought that was a little bit different, that last little thing. This is the old trail that used to come to the thing when you go all the way down to the bottom of the hill on the loop, and then go to the base trail. So they're closing it. I got it all blocked off and filling it up, letting it go back to nature, cutting that road off to the High Falls. So that's a little bit different if you've been to High Falls before. So don't want to take that trail anymore. Okay guys, I'm at the base of the falls now. I'm not going to go any further today than what I'm doing here because it's rainy, a little icy in some spots on the rocks because it's cold. Like I said, it's in the 30s Fahrenheit scale. So there's ice places. The water's a little high because all the rain moisture we've been getting here this past year. But I'm gonna turn around, let you look at the falls here, and it'd be really nice. I'm gonna sit here and relax a little bit with Raina. And Raina's enjoying herself. So here's the falls down here. Then we're gonna start our way back up. I might come back up here in the summertime and do some wading at the bottom of the pool. But alright, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm going to stop at the shelter on the way up and see what the view is from there. Okay, now then we'll show you the little what's up at the top of the falls. We'll make our way up to the top and I'll show you what's up there. I think you guys will like it. Woo! Okay guys, I'm back up here at the viewing point. I didn't stop and show you on the way down. This is a full view of the falls there. And if you turn around, up on the hill, you'll see the picnic shelter. We're gonna go up there and look around a little bit so you can bring your family, have a little picnic up here. You know, so you make the reservations at the ranger station or call the thing. So let's go up there and check that out, huh? Okay guys, after you get past the shelter just a little bit, you'll see the sign that says base of the falls, pointing that way. So we're gonna go that way and go to the base of the falls, and we're gonna come back up, check out the shelter, and things, and should be interesting. I'm not gonna get in the water because it is cold, but in the summertime, you can always wade into it a little bit, even though it's not the greatest place to do it down here. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit when we get down to the base of the falls. Okay guys, we were back at the cars, so I'm gonna call it quits for the day, or on this hike, and hope you enjoyed it. A little short hike, nice and easy, very beautiful sights with the falls. And so if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And also I'll make a got a little bit of a little thing of the falls here, and then you can watch some other videos that I got on the options for you too. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, we are here at the top of High Falls, and look what we got. I don't know if I can get it on there. It's a covered bridge. So let's go check it out inside. It's really nice over here. You can probably see how high the things is. See, it's got a little walking path and a thing. It's do not mark on the bridge, guys. Show a little respect for the place. Alright. Here we go. Look at that. Woo. It's going over the falls right there. Wow. Imagine that sitting on that rock over there. So you can actually see the ice. I've got one branch in front of the rock, you can see it. And you can see the picnic shelter that we were at just a little while ago. And we'll go over here. We got Conservation Road, which goes to a lot of the other places you can go to. and in the park, in the forest. And we'll come over here to the creek over here. Take a look at it. Look at it. Ooh, that is deep. Man, that's so tempting to go swimming in that, but it's where above the falls it wouldn't be safe, most likely. It is going at a pretty good clip with it being so high right here. Alright, well, I'm going to walk back to the car, and I'll see you then.